Good afternoon, everyone. To our faculty members, outgoing and aspiring BITS officers or BITS officers, event organizers, and dear IT students, welcome to our IT General Assembly and BITS officers election for school year 2026-2027. It is a pleasure to see all of you gather today as one community ready to connect, learn, and take part in shaping the future of our organization. Our team, a kickstart to technology, connect, learn, and innovate, remind us that technology is not simply about computers, applications, and emerging tools. It is also about building meaningful connections, continuously developing our knowledge, and using innovation to address real needs and create positive change. This General Assembly gives us an opportunity to strengthen our relationships, understand our shared goals, and prepare for the activities and responsibilities ahead. As IT students, you belong to a rapidly changing field that requires curiosity, adaptability, collaboration, and lifelong learning. I encourage everyone to participate actively. Please share ideas, ask questions, and make the most of every opportunity to grow, not only as future IT professionals, but also as responsible leaders and member of the community. Today's BITS officer election is equally important because leadership plays a significant role in the success of every student organization. To all the candidates, thank you for your courage and willingness to serve. Leadership is not only about receiving a title or holding a position. It is about listening to others, accepting responsibility, working with integrity, and turning plans into meaningful action. Whatever the outcome of the election may be, I hope you will continue to contribute your talents and support the programs of the organization. To all the students who will cast their votes, I encourage you to choose wisely and responsibly. Select leaders based on their competence, commitment, integrity, and genuine desire to serve, not merely because of friendship or popularity. Your vote represent your trust and your vision for this organization. The individuals you elect will help guide the organization, represent your concerns, and create activities that can enrich your academic and student experience throughout the school year. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our outgoing beach officers for the time, effort, and leadership you have shared with the organization. Your contributions have helped establish a strong foundation upon which the next set of leaders can build. Thank you for serving your fellow students and for demonstrating that leadership is best measured by the positive difference we have in the lives of others. To the faculty members, advisors, organizing committee, volunteers, and everyone who worked behind the scenes, thank you for your dedication in preparing this meaningful event. Organizing an assembly and election requires careful planning, coordination, patience, and teamwork. Your efforts may not always be visible, but they are sincerely recognized and appreciated. This gathering would not have been possible without your commitment and cooperation. As we officially begin, may today become a true kickstart toward a more connected, knowledgeable, and innovative IT community. Let us work together, respect one another's idea, and use technology as a means to improve lives and serve society. May this event inspire new friendships, responsibility, responsible leadership, and creative initiative for school year 2026-2027. I am very sorry or apologize that I was not able to be with you during the IT General Assembly and Beach Officer election for school year 2026-2027. Both activities are equally important, and the General Assembly strengthen our connection as an IT community, while the election gives every student the opportunity to choose responsible and committed leaders. I hope everyone actively participates and gives both activities the attention and importance they deserve. I look forward to seeing you all, especially our newly elected beach officers. My sincere appreciation goes to the outgoing officers again, faculty advisors, organizers, and students who made this event possible. So may our theme, a kickstart to technology, connect, learn, and innovate, inspire everyone to work together, embrace new learning opportunities, and contribute innovative ideas to the organization. Once again, good afternoon and welcome to the IT General Assembly and Beach Officer election. May we have a productive, enjoyable, and successful event. Thank you and congratulations in advance to our newly elected Beach Officer. God bless everyone. Stay safe.